we started reasoning prompts. Sir, what is mean by reasoning prompts? We will give some input in the prompt itself. We will ask our LLM to verify that input, whatever we have given. So based on that, generate the answer. That is nothing but reasoning prompt what we have. So in the last videos, if you observe, almost multiple reasoning prompts we implement. Almost some 20 examples we covered purely on this reasoning prompts. As a part of that reasoning prompt, we have seen manual CoT. CoT means chain of thoughts. Sir, in manual CoT, what we are doing, we will write some example. We will write the prompt. We will provide some examples. We will ask the AI model to generate in that examples only. Okay. So what AI will do? AI is going to analyze whatever reasoning steps that you have given. Based on that steps, it will generate the answer. This is called as what? Manual CoT, what we have. Okay. So in manual CoT, we are providing reasoning steps. We are providing reasoning steps manually. We will write manually. Sir, what is auto CoT? Today's topic is auto CoT. Sir, auto CoT means what? AI model is responsible to provide reasoning steps. Automatically. Sir, we won't write any example or we won't write anything. So even that examples we will ask AI model to prepare. This is called as what? Auto CoT. So today's topic is nothing but what? Auto CoT. Automatic chain of thoughts. So in manual CoT, we will write the reasoning steps. In auto CoT, automatically it will generate the reasoning steps. So in manual CoT, let me document. In manual CoT, we are providing reasoning steps manually. We are providing reasoning steps manually. Sometimes, if the problem is complex, a big problem I got, can I write steps for that? No, right? So we can't write reasoning steps if the problem is very complex, and so we may not aware of reasoning steps. Or in other words, sir, we may not interested to provide reasoning steps manually. Then what you can do? Then we can ask AI model. To generate some reasoning steps automatically. So this concept is called as auto CoT. Sir, what is mean by auto CoT? We will ask AI model to consider some examples for this reasoning purpose. That is called as what? Auto CoT. Don't worry, you will get some idea once if we practice some examples. So theory part clear, right? Is the theory part is clear? Right. Let's take one simple example. What is the first example I am taking here is addition example. Sir, I want to write a prompt to perform some basic addition operation. Is it manual CoT or auto CoT? It is auto CoT. So it will automatically generate. Let me write prompt for that. Automatically generate two simple solved examples for which operation? Addition problems. For addition problems, can you please generate already two solved examples? And for each example, identify the numbers. Next, show a short calculation. Show a short calculation and give the final answer. Give the final answer. Then after this, then solve. A student has 12 pens and buys 8 more. 8 more. Now, how many pens? How many pens does the student have? A simple example, friends. Have you observed? Sir, our actual problem is this one only. A student has a 12 pens and they purchased 8 more pens. Total how many pens we need? But for this, what I did, I asked my AI model to automatically generate two simple solved examples for addition problem. From that two examples, can you please identify what are all the numbers that we are using? And can you please show me the short calculation and then give the answer? Sir, is it steps, reasoning steps we are providing or not? Yes. But example data, my ChatGPT will get. Have a look once. Example 1. Number 5 and 3. Sir, conclusion. Calculation. 5 plus 3. Final answer 8. Example 2. Now what is the problem? 12 and 8. So the student has how many pens? 20 pens. Like that, just we can give some examples. Based on that, we will ask AI model to prepare reasoning steps. Once if we go to complex examples, you may get more clarity. But up to this, do you have any doubt, friends? Please confirm. Right. Let's go with second example. So what I will do in this second example is, sir, we are performing some subtraction operation, sir. We are performing some subtraction operation. Sir, in this subtraction, we will take two numbers. We will ask AI model to take some examples manually. Okay. And then we have to calculate the result. That is nothing but my requirement, what we have. Of course, the problem statement is different. But here what we will do? We will ask AI model to prepare the reasoning steps manually. Okay, don't worry. I will take some example so that you can understand. For everything I am going to run, right? Every prompt I will run and I will show you how it is going to work. Sir, can I go for the prompt? Please confirm.
Yes, yes, we can.
Yeah, please interact. Right. So let us see here. Sir, basic subtraction. This is nothing but the prompt I have. Don't worry. Because of lengthy prompts, every time I can't type. If it is coding, I will type. Because these are the prompts, I will copy paste from the prompts which I have. Don't worry. I will share all these things for you people at the end. Now observe basic subtraction. Sir, generate three short solved demonstrations for subtraction problem. Three short solved demonstrations. Use this format. What is the question? What is the calculation? What is the final answer? Sir, after generating the three and analyzing in this step, now can you please solve? A shop has 50 notebooks and sold 18. Now, how many notebooks remains? Can you please answer for this? Now we are asking the AI model to prepare. Demonstration 1. Sir, 9 minus 4. Calculation is 5. Demonstration 2. Sir, 15 minus 6. Answer is 9. Demonstration 3. 20 minus 7. Answer is 13. Now, what is the problem? Sir, already 50 notebooks are there. Is it correct? Sir, he sold 18. How many remaining we have? 32 remaining notebooks are. Sir, who generated these three examples? In manual COT, we will write manually. But in auto COT, my AI model is going to generate. Clear, friends? Clear, friends?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now let's go for third example. So what is this third example is, if you observe, multiplication. So read the prompt, automatically create two solved examples for multiplication word problem. For each example, identify the number of groups. Identify the quantity in each group. Calculate the total. Give the final answer. Then solve. There are 7 classrooms are there with 35 students in each classroom. Find the total number of students. Of course, the problem is very simple because we are at a very basic, right? We are practicing these prompts at a very top level. That's why just one simple. Sir, number of groups, 4 boxes. Quantity in each group, 6 pencils. 4 into 6, 24. Final answer, 24 pencils. Sir, who provided this example? My AI model. Example 2. Number of groups, 5 baskets, 8 apples. Now what is the problem? 7 classroom, 35 students. Sir, 245 students in total we will catch. So you have to take some examples which are already there in your web search. Then consider these 4 steps into that example. After getting that, can you please solve this problem? Like that we are giving. Clear, friends, everyone? Please confirm.
Clear.
Okay. Next one, example number 4. Percentage calculation. Have a look once. Sir, generate. Sir, please try to understand very clearly. Simple example, sir. Generate 3 diverse solved examples for percentage calculation. Include finding a percentage of a number, calculation of discount, calculating marks percentage. Use the generated demonstrations to solve. A laptop cost is 50,000, receives 10% discount. Find the total price. Now, so you are asking how many examples? Maybe it will take 1 or 2 examples. From that, we are going to get solution for our problem. Find the percentage of a number. Question, find 20% of 150. So 20% into 150. 20 by 100 into 150, the result is 30. Calculating a discount. A shirt cost is 2000 as a 15% discount. Now how much you will get? 1700. Calculate marks percentage. Please be on mute. Yes. So a student scores 450 out of 500. Find the percentage. 450 divided by 500. How much you will get into 100. Now, what is the problem? Original price is 50,000. Discount is 10%. 10% of 50,000 is 5,000. 50,000 minus 5,000, 45. The final answer is nothing but 45. Who provided sample examples? My AI model is taking from the internet. And then it is framing based on the reasoning steps, whatever you have given. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Let's go for the next example. So what is the example is, observe carefully. sentiment classification. Automatically generate 3 demonstrations for a sentiment calculation. What is the first one? Positive review. Second one, negative review. Third one, neutral review. 3 reviews are there. For each demonstration, identify the important words, give a short justification, provide the label. Now classify. The mobile camera is excellent, but the battery performance is disappointing. So now it will generate automatically some examples. After that, it will classify. Let's see what examples it is going to take. Sir, positive review. Review. The product is fantastic and works perfectly. The important words fantastic, perfectly. Justification, these words express a strong satisfaction and price. Sir, positive. Negative review. The service was terrible and very slow. Negative review. Sir, the package arrived on Tuesday. So the statement provides factual information without expressing an opinion or emotion. Now, the mobile camera is excellent, but the battery performance is disappointing. Important keywords: excellent, disappointing. The review contains both the strong positive and negative opinions. The positive and negative sentiments are balanced, mixed, or both positive and negative. Have you observed how beautifully it is taken? Suppose if you run one more time, is it going to take the same data? Maybe different. The food was delicious and the service was excellent. Negative review, neutral review. Now the conclusion. So like that, your AI model will pick up some examples and it will identify the reasoning steps, whatever you have given. Based on that, it will solve your example. Clear everyone? Please confirm. Right. Next, example 6. So grammar correction. Generate 3 automatic demonstrations for correcting English grammar. For each example, show the incorrect sentence, identify the error, provide the corrected sentence. Then, can you please correct, she do not likes programming. This is the statement what I have given. You need to check, is it correct or wrong. Now see what happens. Incorrect sentence. He go to school every day. The verb go should be goes because the subject he is a singular. Like that, it is taking some 3 examples and then whatever example that you have given problem, it will solve that. Yes, please confirm. Getting some idea. Ayo, please respond. Please be active.
Yes, yes, we are ready.
Yeah,
Yeah.
don't sleep in the class.
Yeah.
Yeah. Example 7. Have a look once. Sir, English to Telugu translation. You can change from your language. So automatically generate 3 translation demonstrations from English to Telugu. I have English statement is there. Can you please convert it into Telugu? Because my mother tongue is Telugu, that's why I use. So use one greeting, one classroom sentence, one motivational sentence. Take some 3 translation demonstrations. Then translate, practice the programming every day. Sir, even I'm waiting what result it is going to give. Let me check. Have you observed? Good morning. In Telugu, we will call it as Shubhodayam. Sir, the teacher is explaining the session. ఉపాధ్యాయుడు పాఠాన్ని వివరిస్తున్నారు. So the motivational sentence, never give up on your dreams. So మీ కలలను ఎప్పుడు వదులుకోవద్దు. సార్, ప్రాక్టీస్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ ఎవ్రీ డే. ప్రతిరోజు ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ సాధన చేయండి. సార్, యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ఎనీథింగ్. యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ఎనీథింగ్. ఈవెన్, సో డూ యూ నో, ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్, యూ కెన్ రైట్ ఇట్ యాజ్ తమిళ్ ఆల్సో. సార్, డోంట్ వరీ, ఇట్ విల్ రెస్పాండ్. బట్ యూ షుడ్ నో హౌ టు రీడ్ దట్. Have you observed? It is coming in Tamil. So if we can able to understand these words, then nothing is possible. Okay, just it is taking some examples. From that it is generating. In manual COT, what we are doing? Those three examples also we are giving. Sir, clear friends, please confirm.
Yes, yes, it's clear.
Yeah.
Thanks.
So example 8. So what is this example is? Sir, text summarization. Generate 3 automatic demonstrations for 1 sentence summarization. Use technology paragraph, educational paragraph, business paragraph. For each example, identify the central idea, produce 1 sentence summary. Then you have to take this one and you need to convert into your required results. That is 1 central idea and 1 sentence line. Now let's see. First, it will take some examples. Have a look once. Sir, about artificial intelligence, some idea is there. So AI enables computers to perform intelligent tasks using data. One line set. Education. Online learning provides students with flexible access to the courses and educational resources. Central idea. Business. Central idea. Summary. Sir, cloud computing provides the internet-based access to computing resources without requiring physical infrastructure. Friends, everyone feeling comfortable up to this whatever I covered, please confirm.
Yes, yes, it is clear till now.
Yeah. Now, example 9. Sorry, you can practice this for your day-to-day activities also. Correct? Anyone practicing? Anyone utilizing for daily activities?
It's utilizing.
Yeah. Now observe, automatically generate SQL demonstrations, diverse SQL demonstrations. Sir, display all records, filtering all records, sorting records, grouping records. For these 4 categories, I want a SQL. For each example, identify the table, identify the columns, identify the condition, generate the SQL query. Now, display the department name and average salary from the employees table grouped by department. Now we have to execute this and we need to check how my AI model, what examples it is taking, how it is generated. Observe friends, displaying all records. Table name is employee, all columns right, star, condition, no condition. What is SQL query? Select star from employees. Filtering records, table name, column names, condition is there. Storing records, order by descent. Grouping records. Now, what is the solution for the given statement? Table name is employee. They are asking 2 columns. Condition no. Group by department. Select department, average salary. Okay. From employees table, group by department. Like that we are asking. Clear friends?
Yes, clear.
So let us see some coding related examples also. Like observe carefully. Sir, here Python. Have you observed Python program generation? Automatically create 3 solved Python programming demonstrations. Sir, what are the 3 programs? Even or odd. Largest of 2 numbers. Calculating factorial. For each demonstration, which is the input, explain the logic briefly, generate the executable code, show some sample output also. So take those 3 examples for your consideration. Then write a Python program to check whether the given number is prime number or not. Let us see. So check even or odd. If the number is divisible by 2, it is even, otherwise odd. This is the code. Find the largest of two numbers. Compare the two numbers and display greater value. Calculate the factor. Multiply all integers from 1 up to the given number. Sir, prime number. Have you observed? The program has given. Similarly, let's see Java program also. Have you observed? Generate automatic Java coding demonstrations for reversing a number, palindrome, find sum of digits. For each demonstration, identify the variables, explain the algorithm briefly, generate executable Java code, show the output. Then write a Java program to check whether the given number is Armstrong number or not. Just you need to run this prompt. Reversing a number. What variables? What is algorithm? Executable code. Check palindrome. What are the variables? How it will work. Find sum of digits. How it is going to work. Now check whether the number is Armstrong or not. We have to finish. Friends, clear on how it is working? Please confirm. Yes, everyone feeling comfortable up to this?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So now next, JDBC diagnosis. Observe carefully. Automatically generate diagnostic demonstrations for JDBC errors. Even I faced this several times when I am taking JDBC classes. So for no suitable driver found, access denied for the user, unknown database. These are the three common errors that we will get when we are running any JDBC program. Now, for these errors, explain the meaning, list possible causes, identify the most likely cause, provide the solution. After that, analyze file not found in DVD properties. Just run this code and check, sir, how it is working. Just have a look, one friends. Sir, what it is telling? No suitable driver found. What is the meaning? Possible causes. Okay. Then access denied for the user. So access denied for the user. What is the problem? Unknown database. How you can solve that? Now java.io.file not found. Meaning Java is tried to find a file named with the DVD properties, but the file could not be found at the expected location. Sir, possible causes. Properties file does not exist. The file is placed in wrong directory. The path is incorrect. The file is not included in the class path. The file name or extension is incorrect. Okay, like that, it is giving solutions. Friends, clear up to this?
Yes, it's clear for this. One question here, suppose we want the output for the long code, and
No problem.
we still don't know how to put the region of the out at first place. So we will go for the auto COT, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So how do we ensure that auto COT that the chat GPT is following is right or not? Because suppose I don't have much command over some language and I want to use that language for my project. So, so is there any way to understand that auto CO2 that it has went through is working properly or is correct?
We have next level concepts are there, which we are going to see in our upcoming classes. Okay. But as
Okay.
of now, these are reasoning prompts. Whatever question you asked is, let me summarize. See, you are asking ChatGPT to solve this particular problem or language related program, but you don't know anything about the program. Now you are asking ChatGPT to take 5 examples. So analyze those 5 examples and then based on that give me the answer. Like that you are asking, right?
Yes, yes.
So your question is, are those 5 examples is valid examples or not? How we can judge or how we can believe the AI model? That is your question, right?
Mhm.
So next level prompting is there. There you can analyze those 5 inputs. So that is called as I will explain in upcoming classes we will get. So in branches, different paths are there. Can you please check in path one what result you get? Path two what results you get? Path three what result you get? Path four what results you get? Based on this, can you please find the correct possible answer? Reflection prompting. I will explain. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now the next one is resume review. Generate 3 automatic resume review demonstrations for a Java fresher, Python developer, data analyst. For each demonstration, identify the strengths, identify the weakness, suggest the missing keywords, give an ATS score, provide hiring recommendation. Then review uploaded resume using the same evaluation pattern. Just we are asking ChatGPT to review these things. Now observe Java fresher, strengths, weakness, missing keywords, ATS score. Python developer resume, strength, weakness, missing keywords, ATS score. Data analyst, sir, strength, weakness, missing keywords. Now upload resume. I don't currently have access to resume file or resume text in the conversation. If you observe, so I can't accurately evaluate the specific resume using the pattern. So if you want, you can upload one resume and you can ask the same thing. I think I deleted that resume. Some sample resume is there with me. I think it is gone. Suppose if that resume is there, I can show you. But no worries. So you understood the point, right? Please confirm.
Yes.
Now observe friends. Last class I told one example for loan eligibility, right? Same example, but see how beautifully this prompt is going to work. So step by step I will explain. Automatically generate 3 loan eligibility demonstrations using different applicant profiles. So it will take 3 examples. What are the rules? Minimum salary 30,000. Minimum credit score 700. EMI must be below 40% of the salary. Minimum experience is 2 years. For each demonstration, check every rule. Show is that rule is passed or failed. Give the final decision. And then can you please evaluate the salary, credit score, and EMI I am giving? Can you please check the loan eligibility? Now observe, it will take the examples. Sir, even though you have given these inputs, is it going to take all satisfied examples or is it going to take any other layman example? Let us check. Now, eligible applicant. Sir, 6,000, sorry, 60,000, 750 EMI. Rules check, pass, 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 pass. Not eligible. Sir, salary, credit score, EMI, experience. Sir, minimum salary pass, credit score fail, EMI pass, experience pass, not eligible. Now observe, sir, minimum salary pass, credit score pass, EMI fail, experience fail, not eligible. Now what is your application? Sir, 55,000, credit score 735, EMI, experience. Sir, pass, 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 pass. So final decision is nothing but what? You are eligible for loan. How beautiful it is. How beautiful it is. Just with the matter of giving some criteria, some conditions, whatever you need, automatically my chat GPT is getting the data from different resources. It is giving analysis not by its own. Whatever rules and regulations that you have given, based on that it is analyzing. Everything is done based on your requirement only. Friends, clear up to this?
Yes, it's clear.
Let's go for one more example. Travel plan. Several times we covered this. Even I used this ChatGPT many times. Sir, do you know? Even if I'm going to some place on weekend, just I don't want to type also. I will open our running notes and I am going to search for travel planning. Just I will change my requirements. Have you observed here? Generate 3 automatic travel plan demonstrations. Sir, if you understand everything, because no one is going to explain by taking these many examples. Maybe 2 or 3 examples are sufficient. But why I am giving these examples? Because prompting is not a programming language or prerequisite must be required, nothing. Just writing the prompts to make your AI agent or AI model to understand. How many ways are there that I want to explain in depth? That's why multiple examples I'm going to take. All these examples will be useful in the future. Now observe, generate 3 automatic travel plans. 1 day local trip, 2 day budget trip, 3 day family trip. For each demonstration, select the transport, suggest accommodation, prepare itinerary, sir, estimate the expenses, verify the budget, and then plan. Sir, my starting city is Hyderabad. My destination is Ooty. Duration 3 days. Budget 25,000. Travelers too. Sir, recently from my hometown, I visited Ooty few days back. Okay, so do you know almost not this prompt, almost similar prompt I executed. It has given the clear steps of friends. We followed that. We thought that we need to book an agency, so they are going to pick up, okay, and then they are going to take care of everything. Initially, we thought like that, but just I had an interaction with ChatGPT, and it has given some 3 different plans. I asked from that, can you please choose best? Of course, in the upcoming classes, I will talk about that maybe tomorrow or day after. So I have asked ChatGPT to prepare 5 plans. In these 5 plans, include these things. Can you please mix all these and choose the best plan? It has given some options. I copy pasted into my mobile. Even I have taken the screenshot. We visited the places in the artwork. Trust me, we got the correct timing, everything perfectly planned. Okay. Can I run this prompt? Please confirm.
Yes, yes, we can go.
Yeah. Now I have given from my hometown. Let's see what will happen. Sir, 1 day local trip, sightseeing, transport, accommodation. What is a plan? Estimated expense within the budget. 2 days, nearby hill station, bus, budget hotel. Day one, day two, budget. Day three, 3 day, family vacation to a tourist destination, train or bus or local cab. Day one, day two, day three, budget. Now, sir, Chittor to Uti 3 day plan for programs. Sir, budget. 2. Budget trip. Suggested transport. Use a train or bus for the long journey. Now observe day 1. Travel from Chittor to Uti. Check in Uti Lake and local market. Day 2. Dodabeda Peak, Tea Factory Museum, Botanical Garden. Day 3. Kunar, Sims Park and Tea Estate and Return journey. Okay, so now you can see just it is giving the correct answers. Any questions?
Question. So, would there be any difference if we give it without COT and just ask the plan for the Chittor? So, will there be any difference?
No, you are asking about manual
Means,
or
yeah, yeah, we are not giving any change of chain of reasoning. We just ask for the plan budget. Given the budget
it
days,
will it will it will give the generalized answer.
generalized answer. Okay, okay. Mhm.
Definitely it will respond, but it will give generalized answer.
Yeah.
Have you observed? For each demonstration, select the transport, suggest the accommodation, prepare the schedule, estimate the expenses, verify the budget. So 5 things are there in every example. Correct?
Correct.
This you may not get if you write vague prompt. If you ask, can you please prepare OT trip from this location to this location? It may not give. It will give definitely answer, but your expected answer is different, right?
Yes, yes. So that will be missing, or maybe
Yes,
not
yes,
in the
yes.
schematic way. Yeah.
Yeah. Now, software system design. Now observe, automatically generate structured design demonstrations for, sir, my students wants to develop library management system, hospital management system, student management system. Can you please generate structured design for this? Identify the actors, modules, database tables, relationship, technology stack, explain the function. Now I want to develop online banking management system. Array, can you please analyze these 3 examples? From that, can you please consider my example? Now observe, for library management system, who are the actors, modules, databases, tables, relationships, technology, architecture. For hospital management system, how it will be. For student management system, how it will be. From this, identify the actors for online banking management system. Then major modules. Then database design. Sir, users tables, accounts table, beneficiaries, transactions, bill payments, okay, audit logs, relationships also it is giving, transaction relationship, main relationship, suggested technology, architecture, layer architecture, example fund transfer flow, system API design, final architecture. No one, even including trainers, also can't give this much information. Believe me, friends. Correct? Any questions?
No
Please
question.
confirm. Let me go with one real-time scenario. Sir, business decision analysis. Yeah. Now observe. Sir, generate 3 automatic decision analysis demonstrations for starting an online course, opening an offline training institute, choosing hybrid training model. For each case, identify the current conditions, list the benefits, list the risks, compare the options, recommend one decision. Then, after doing this analysis, can you please analyze, a trainer is going to earn 55,000 salary. Sir, rupees 2,500 from online classes and rupees 0 from an offline institute, that can cost on 10,000 per month. Have you observed? Sir, already some sample is given. 3 automatic decisions. For each case, you need to identify these things. From that, let me take 4. From that, can you please analyze? So let us run this code and check what my AI model is going to respond. Observe, friends. Sir, starting an offline course. Current conditions, benefits, risk. Okay, option comparison. Same prompt we will give even in the next one also. Demonstration 2. Opening an offline training center. Choosing the hybrid model. Demonstration 4. Expanding an existing training institute. Now, the decision analysis. Sir, current financial conditions. Okay, the gross income, net income after institute cost. Key analysis. The offline institute currently generates 0 revenue but cost 10,000 per month. Therefore, net contribution of offline institute is this one. So the online class generates 25,000 per month, making them clearly profitable training channel. Okay, so options. Option: continue offline institute unchanged, monthly impact not financially suggested. Close offline institute, save 10,000, immediate improvement. So continue online class, plus 20, profitable. Restructure the offline institute, potentially positive, worth testing before the closure. Recommendation. Clear? Getting some idea?
Yes, yes.
So it is giving clear suggestions, right?
Mhm.
Am I right?
Right, right.
Next. Next one. Data structure problem solving. We came to our domain. Sir, automatically generate solved demonstrations for stack operation, queue operation, binary search traversal, linked list insertion. For each demonstration, identify the data structure which we are using, explain the operation briefly, show the algorithm, provide some sample input and output, then try to solve inserting these elements into binary search tree and display pre-order, in-order, post-order traversals. Have you observed? I didn't ask directly. Can you please insert these elements into binary search tree and display these orders? I didn't ask. What I asked, hey, ChatGPT, can you please take some examples on these following topics? For each example, can you please classify like this? Then from that input, whatever you got, can you please solve this? Let's run the code. Observe friends. Stack operation. Operation is pushing the elements into the stack. Queue operation. Binary search tree traversals. Linked list. Then insert the elements. How it will be pre-order, post-order, like that. Clear?
Yes, yes. Clear.
Now, let's go for next example. Cyber security risk classification. Automatically generate a safe cyber security demonstrations for phishing email, weak password, suspicious attachment, okay, unsecured public Wi-Fi. For this example, identify the risk, explain the warning signs, suggest safe options, okay, assign severity level. Then after that, a user receives an email asking them to verify bank details through an unknown link. So I got an email asking me to verify the bank details from unknown link. So this is nothing but what is my question? Before that, what I asked, generate some safe cyber security demonstrations and then solve this. Come observe. Sir, risk, credentials, phishing emails, risk, credentials theft, identity theft, or financial fraud. Okay, warning signs, weak password, unauthorized account access, suspicious attachment, malware detection, unsecured public Wi-Fi. So now email asking, warning signs, unknown link, request to verify bank details, possible urgency or pressure to act. Okay, so potential impersonation of a bank or financial institution. Safe action. Do not click the link. Do not enter bank details. Open the bank official app or manually type the official website address into browser. Contact the bank using the phone number printed on your card or listed on official website. Report the email. Okay, sir, severity, critical or high. So if you are unable to take any decision, what you can do? You can ask ChatGPT. It will guide you. Clear, friends? Any questions?
Yeah, no question till now.
So let's go for next one. AI project planning. AI project planning. Now observe. Act as automatic demonstration generator for AI project plan. Generate some diverse demonstrations for AI chatbot, resume analyzer, PDF question answering system, okay, recommendation system. For each project, define the problem, identify the users, list functional requirements, suggest AI model or API, select technology stack, design architecture, identify the risk, define the evaluation metrics, suggest deployment approach, everything. After generating the demonstrations, now AI powered student career guidance system for engineering students. Can you please generate this? Like that we are asking. Now let us see how my chat GPT will work for this AI chatbot. Users need instant answers to the common questions without waiting for human support. Who are the users? What are the requirements? How you can write AI model? Technologies what you are using? Risk. Okay. Now resume analyzer. So next and after that PDF question answering system. So from that recommendation system. From that AI powered student career guidance system. Problem definition, target users, core functional requirements, AI skill assessment, career recommendations, example recommendation, AI powered features, dot 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 dot. Clear. So complete project analysis it is giving, right? Have you observed? Even graphs also it is displaying. Database design also. No need to take the column names automatically. Relationships, flow, evaluation metrics, major risk, everything it is providing. Clear, everyone?
Yes, this is clear. It's a very detailed one, I think this one is. But if I think we want to execute any project with the help,
We
so
can
we
do that.
can give this kind of reasoning.
I told yesterday also, right? After
Hmm.
completion of JDBC, generally in my previous batches, what we did is we have taken some 3 classes, one database, that too a simple database. And I explained how it is going to connect. Of course, student will get interested. But what I
Hmm.
did this time is after starting AI from the January, so I asked ChatGPT to create a project in JDBC by
Hmm.
considering what are all the topics I covered in JDBC. I included all the topics in my prompt. Can you please create some sample 3 projects using all these following concepts should be there in the project.
Hmm.
Give course source code, project structure, everything I asked. It has given the complete detailed information. So I have taken all these things except the coding part I have written. Rest of the things, model, everything I copy paste. So after seeing that full-fledged project for my students, they felt very happy and they started implementing that also. I will show you one if time permits. Can I? Please confirm. Can I show one example?
Yes, yes.
See, in my JDBC, in my servlet classes, what I did is just generally I will try to generate the forms friends. Means front end designing forms I need to generate. Now observe the prompt. Sir, I am not writing any code now. I will take the help of AI. What is my statement? Create order.html web page with the following requirements. Form action is equal to form method. It contains the following field with their names. Customer name should be there. Product, laptop, mouse, keyboard. Price should be there. Quantity should be there. Payment mode, submit. Create a stunning web page. Don't add blue color. Okay. If possible, please add some animations. Like that I create. If I run this code, trust me friends, you will get a beautiful HTML program. We are not required to write anything. It will create. Just what we need to do, just copy the code and execute. Just copy the code and execute. So let me run this. Just a matter of a minute. I will give the name as test2.html, just file name. So this is the file what I copied from where? ChatGPT. Just I will run this to get clarity. It is an application. Total project is deployed. Are you seeing, friends? Friends, please confirm.
Yes, yes.
Is it required to write any code?
Not at all.
No. Just give your details. That's all. So such type of things you can take. Now I copy pasted that. Just I am executing the program. Clear, friends?
Clear.
So in the last classes, we had a very clear discussion about auto CoT. Almost 20 examples. Almost 20 examples we covered on that. Now let's go for few more prompts. So the next prompt, next example, what we have here is example number 21, strategic career mentor. Please observe. You are a strategic AI career mentor. A student has completed the foundation course in generative AI and also prompt engineering. Analyze the situation deeply and reason step by step before answering. Determine what skill gap existed, what is the next logical learning path, what risks are involved, what 6 months roadmap should be followed, what earning potential exists. Think carefully and give structured final answer. Sir, am I giving any examples here? No. I am asking my AI model to do that. I am not giving any examples here. So now what will happen? It comes under auto CoT. Automatically it will generate. Let's run this prompt. Strategic AI career analysis. Current skill gap. What are the things that you need to understand? What is the next tools that you need to learn? Okay. Sir, generative AI foundation, Python programming, AI APS and LLM applications, embeddings, vector databases, RAG applications, AI agents, automation, backend plus development, portfolio, freelancing, job preparation. So phase one, what you need to learn. Phase two, what you need to learn. Like everything, clear roadmap, it is providing. Sir, am I giving any reasoning steps here? No. Automatically it is generated. So hence it is called as what? Auto. Are you clear with this example? Let's go for the next example. Household budget plan. Okay, household budget plan. Sir, please listen carefully. Automatically generate 3 real life budget demonstrations. Automatically generate 3 real life budgeting demonstrations for a salaried employee managing monthly expenses, a family planning school fee payments, a person repaying the credit card debit. So take these 3 cases and analyze. For each example, identify the monthly income, list fixed expenses, list variable expenses, calculate the savings, suggest cost reduction, give a final monthly budget. Now, sir, then solve. Monthly income is 70,000. House rent is 15,000. EMI is 18,000. Groceries is 8,000. Transport is 5,000. Other expenses is 10,000. Prepare a practical monthly budget and savings plan. Can you please generate automatically some sample 3 cases? From that, can you please solve if a person is having these expenses and incomes, so monthly budget plan, I'm asked. Let us see how my LLM is going to respond. Sir, salaried employee managing monthly expenses. First case, 70,000. How he is managing. Second case, family income. How you can. Third case, a person repaying credit and debit. Now, sir, practical budget for the given case. Monthly income, how much, house rent, everything. The recommendation card, cost reduction, groceries at current 8,000, target 7,000, savings 1,000, like that. Final recommendation budget, savings plan. Okay, so like this, it is giving the full-fledged plan for us. A full-fledged plan for us. Just what we need to do, we have to follow that plan. Beyond that, nothing else. Friends, are you clear with this example? Please confirm, everyone. Yes, please respond. Clear. Now, let's go for the next prompt. Example number 23. Daily meal planning. So what is this is automatically generate 3 meal planning demonstrations for a college student. Sir, you can use this in your real lifetime also. A working professional, a senior citizen. Like take three cases. For each example, identify, okay, so dietary needs, suggest breakfast, lunch, snacks, and dinner, estimate the preparation time, keep the plan affordable, mention healthy alternatives. Then, can you please create 1 day vegetarian meal plan for working professional who has only 30 minutes for cooking? Wow, beautiful. Even I'm giving the target also. Okay, now have a look once what my ChatGPT is going to tell. Sir, first it has taken college student meal plan, then working professional meal plan, then senior citizen meal plan. It analyzed all this. Then 1 day vegetarian meal plan for a working professional. Maximum 30 minutes is there for cooking time. Breakfast, lunch, evening snack, dinner. Have you observed? Clearly it has given the complete details. So how it is analyzing? Already we asked ChatGPT to take some 3 case studies from that it is generating. Friends, are you clear with the example? Please confirm. Yes, everyone, please respond. Clear up to this. Right. So next, one more real-time example. Parent-teacher meeting preparation. Parent-teacher meeting preparation. Automatically generate 3 parent-teacher meeting demonstration for a student with low attendance, a student with weak academic performance, a student with good marks but poor classroom discipline. 3 different cases. Can you please generate these demonstrations? For each example, identify the main issue, prepare taking points, suggest supportive actions, avoid blaming language, provide a short meeting summary. After that, after all analysis has happening, then a parent-teacher discussion plan for a student who performs well in practicals but scores low in theory examinations. This is the task given. Now we have to prepare. We have to prepare discussion plan in PTM. Now let's have a look once. A student with low attendance. Main issue, talking points, supportive actions, short meeting summary. Second case, a student with weak academic performance. What is the main issue? Talking points, supportive action, short meeting summary. A student with good marks but poor classroom discipline. What is the main issue? Okay, talking points. Next, supportive actions, short meeting summary. Now, parent-teacher discussion plan for the student who is strong in practical performance but low in theoretical. Sir, let's see how it is going to respond. Can I run this code? Please confirm. I mean, you have seen already, right? So just you can refer what answer it is going to give. Meeting objective. So begin with the strengths, identify the possible theory gap, review the examination pattern, supportive important improvement plan. Okay, weekly practice, parents' role, teachers' role, suggested 6-week improvement plan, example meeting summary, overall approach. Sir, your practical performance shows that you can understand and apply the concepts. Now, we will help you to develop the skills needed to explain that understanding clearly in theory exams. With a clear message, this has been generated. So, we are not giving the previous data. We are giving we are asking AI model to take some 3 examples by its own and then prepare. Clear friends up to this, please confirm. Yeah. Next example, daily time management. Now observe carefully. automatically generate 3 time management demonstrations for a college student who is preparing for placements, a working professional learning a new skill, a trainer managing the job, classes, and family time. For each example, identify the fixed commitments, identify the available free time, prioritize the important tasks, create a realistic daily schedule, include the breaks, include the breaks and the personal time. Suggest the ways to avoid distractions. Then create a daily plan for a trainer who works from 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., travels from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., conducts one online training in the evening, wants time for exercise and family. Yeah. Now it is going to assign the time management. Let us see how it will be. So first different cases it will consider a college student case, working professional case, okay, trainer managing the job classes time. Now it will give solution for us. Now observe. So 5:45 to 6:30 exercise, 6:30 to 7:30 personal preparation breakfast. Complete plan. It is given. Okay. Classroom preparation, final family timings. Okay. So 45 minutes. The trainer should avoid trying to use every free minute productively. A sustainable routine should include 45 minutes of exercise, at least 1 to 2 hours of family time, 30 to 60 minutes of personal relaxation, 7 to 8 hours of sleep. The goal is not to fill every minute of the day. The goal is to protect the most important activities and the use remaining time intentionally. Wow. With a beautiful quote, it concluded. Friends, are you getting any doubt from this? Please confirm. Do you have any questions from this? Please confirm. Now, sir, when we should go for auto COT? When we should go for manual COT? First, we will talk about manual COT. Sir, when we need manual COT, please observe these 5 points. You want full control over the reasoning step. Sir, I want to give the complete data, including example. You want AI to follow a specific format or structure. The solution must follow a clear step-by-step path. The answer needs to match the particular logic flow. Accuracy is very, very important, and you want to reduce the mistakes. Everything is there in your hand means you can go for manual COT. What is auto COT? Sir, your problem is complex and multi-step. Writing that much lengthy problem is not good. You don't want manually to create the reasoning steps. You want AI to generate reasoning steps automatically. You want a broader reasoning exploration. Then you can ask in simple way. In auto COT, we have to mention generate reasoning steps on your own in the prompt. Then only it will generate. Then only it will generate. This is nothing but the main difference between auto COT and then manual COT. So when we have to go for manual COT and when we have to go for auto COT, I hope it is very clear for you. Any questions, friends, from your side? Please confirm. Yeah. Let's go for one final conclusion. Already we covered this. In manual COT, we are providing the reasoning steps manually. In auto COT, AI model is responsible to provide reasoning steps manually. Sorry, automatically. In auto COT, AI model will take care of everything. Friends, the difference is very clear, it seems.